Part of your company setup is to choose the categories that you are going to be working with every day. Don't make it too complicated. If you don't understand something, click it off as you can add it later. We have predetermined certain categories here for you based on your company structure. But if you need to add any category, you can do that by simply clicking on Add Asset, enter the name of the category, and click Save. And now you have a new category. You can do the same for any category. For instance, sales and marketing. Let's add a new expense category called Billboard and click Save. Now when we are categorizing our transactions and the expenses for billboards come up, we are going to be able to categorize them under billboards. Now here's a set of categories that I don't need because I am a sole proprietor and I don't have any employees. I don't have a pension plan. I don't have an employee benefit program. And I also don't pay any wages because I pay contractors. And that is it. My categories have been set up. It's time to start managing your business finances.